Unboxing today, Honor XB Plus. It's waterproof and also breakable siya. Brand new, guys. Yahoo! See, and this is the front. Hi guys! Hi guys! Unboxing today. For today's video is unboxing Honor XB Plus. We bought this in Carrefour supermarket and department store here in Dubai, Jeddah City Center. Actually, this phone is not mine. This is for my mom, for my mother, because one of my friends is going home to Philippines on 25. So we bought this and we asked her to bring this in Manila, and my mom will gonna pick this to airport. Yeah. Unboxing! Let's start. Wala kaming ano dito kasi nandito kami sa hotel accommodation. So, I'll use knife. Nakikita nyo ba yun? Kutsilyo ang gamit ko. Hi, honey. Say hi to my vlog. Hello!
Oh, I can't be seen.
Sorry. So, gusto ko lang mag-unboxing. Pakita natin. Nauuso tong Honor XB Plus. Maganda daw to. And in supermarket, they said it's waterproof. Siyempre, huwag mo lang ilulubog ng matagal sa tubig. Siguro mapapasukan din to ng tubig. Splash free. Yan. They said, yeah, can drown a little bit. Pero I think, para secure lang, no? Huwag niyong ibabad sa tubig. Yeah, but they said it's waterproof. And also, breakable siya. Hindi daw ito babasag. That is, ayan. Takpan ko ang ilaw. And meron siyang free na pin. Dito muna tayo. What's this? Accessories. There's no adapter, honey. So, I need to buy an adapter. To include this also.
To plug that into the wall?
Ano lang siya, cable lang ang kasama. So, yeah.
Want to remember that.
Yeah. Good that I opened it. What was this? Yung, what do you call this? IMEII. Yan. And then, open na natin. We'll check. Yahoo! It's really brand new, guys. Yahoo! See, guys. Tadan! Nagre-reflect yung ano sa screen. O, ganyan sa kaliwanag, di ba? Reflection yan sa screen ko. From the lights. There's a reflection from the light, honey. Yeah, you see? And this is the front. They have 4 cameras. Yeah, this Honor has 4 cameras, I mean. It has 4 cameras. So now, let's try. Try natin i-on kung may battery. Oh, yeah, there. Nagre-reflect siya sa light, honey. Yan. Maybe, honey, it's good to off the light in behind me. In the kitchen. Thank you. We'll wait, guys. From the phone, yeah. From here.
Yeah.
It's starting. Magic iOS something. Ayan. English. Get started. My mother doesn't know yet how to use this. Yan guys. Okay. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, connected na siya. Connected na. It's now checking for updates. Lagyan natin dito. Ang ano siya. Dagdag views. I mean, dito nga siya. Okay. Next, copy apps data. Use another device. You need another Android service or an iPhone or iPad to turn it off and keep it unlocked. Where's my phone? Where's the other one? Your phone, honey. No. Your phone, Android. It says Android. Can I get your... I don't know if the same charger, honey. Charging port.
Yes.
Can you?
You need my charger?
Yeah, just put it in so it will work. It's the same, this one in Motorola. You need to charge. Try to connect first so it will work. Find your cable devices. Can I see this? Try ko dito sa aking laptop. Kailangan daw siyang i-connect sa other devices. Yeah, HP Plus. Ayun, kinonect ko muna siya. At dahil wala akong cable, ang pag-connecta kasi niya pag bagong-bago, so kukuha ka lang ng connector na mobile to mobile. So, kinonekta ko siya, try ko sa laptop, hindi siya gumana. So, kailangan talaga niyang mobile. Mobile to mobile, i-connect lang yung charging port para gumana siya. Pero wala akong cable ngayon dahil nandito kami sa hotel na dala. So, ang ginawa ko, through Google, sinerf ko lang siya. So, go to Google app na lang ako. Nag-sign in ako sa email, Gmail ko. So, yun. Dun, ang dami kong mga pinindot-pindot lang dyan. Nilaro ko lang siya. So, ayan, nabuksan ko siya. Na-unlock ko yung phone. So, pero ang easy way to unlock the phone is cord lang siya. To phone. So, yun lang. Yan. Kung makikita nyo yung camera niya, ganyan. Ayan, sinet up ko na siya. So, ayan. Ito yung phone niya. Napakaliwanag. Kailangan siyang... Ayan. Diba? Pag dito, ayan. Kasi reflection pala ng light. Tangik. Yan, so video. Ay, napakaliwanag ng video, guys. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo yan? Video. Napakaliwanag. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Surf lang kung paano siya gamitin. Yan. Honor. Maganda siya, guys. Thank you for watching. I like it kasi matibay yung battery. Tsaka kahit iganyan niyo siya down. It's not breakable. So that's what the supermarket here or department store where I bought this is in Carrefour. Yan. Thank you guys for watching. I just show you. Ayan, ang ganda ng camera. Yeah. Pretty. Masaya na naman yung si mother ko nito. Si Modra. Ayan. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching.